What if I told you that right now, while millions of people are scrolling social media, wasting hours every single day, there are ordinary people quietly using artificial intelligence to build extra income online? Not celebrities, not tech geniuses, not millionaire entrepreneurs, just normal people who understood one thing before everyone else. Technology changes everything, and the people who move early usually win the biggest. But before you get excited, let's be honest for a second. Most AI side hustles are complete nonsense. You've probably seen the videos. Make $10,000 in 7 days. Use this secret AI trick. Copy and paste your way to riches. And then reality hits. Nothing works. You waste time. You get frustrated. And eventually, you stop trying. But here's the truth nobody talks about. The problem isn't AI. The problem is bad opportunities. Because some AI side hustles are already oversaturated, while others are quietly making people serious money behind the scenes. The smartest people are not chasing trends. They're building systems, they're solving problems, and they're using AI as leverage. So in this video, we're breaking down 5 AI side hustles that actually work in 2026. Not hype, not fantasy. Real opportunities with real demand. And by the end of this video, you'll probably realize that one of these could genuinely change your financial future. Let's begin. The truth about AI side hustles. Before we jump into the list, there's something important you need to understand. AI is not magic, and it will not magically make you rich. That fantasy needs to die, because most people fail for one simple reason. They think AI will do all the work. It won't. AI is a tool. And tools only become powerful in the hands of people who know how to use them. Think about it this way. A camera doesn't make someone a filmmaker. A laptop doesn't make someone a programmer. And AI doesn't automatically make someone successful. But when used correctly, it can multiply your speed, your productivity, and your earning potential. That's where the opportunity starts. Now, let's talk about the side hustles that actually make sense. Number 5, AI content repurposing. This one sounds boring, and that's exactly why most people ignore it. But boring businesses often make the most money. Every single day, thousands of creators upload podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, and long-form content. But here's the problem. Most creators are terrible at consistency, not because they're lazy, because content takes time. A single 30-minute podcast could become 20 pieces of content. Short videos, Instagram clips, Twitter posts, LinkedIn content, email newsletters, blog articles, captions, hooks, titles, and thumbnails. But most creators never have time to do all of that. This is where opportunity appears. With AI tools, you can help creators turn one piece of content into 10 or 20 smaller pieces. Instead of spending 6 hours editing, writing, and posting content manually, AI can speed everything up dramatically. And businesses love this, because attention equals money. The more content they post, the more customers they attract. Now, imagine this. You find 3 creators who are too busy to manage content. You charge each client $500 per month. Suddenly, you're making $1,500 monthly. And the best part, you're not reinventing anything. You're simply helping people save time. People don't pay for complexity. They pay for convenience. And convenience sells. Number 4, AI faceless YouTube automation. Now this one is massive. Finance channels, luxury channels, business channels, history documentaries, motivation channels. Many of them never show a face, and some are generating millions of views. Here's the interesting part. One person can now run an entire media company from a laptop. Research with AI, script writing with AI, voiceovers with AI, editing assistants with AI, thumbnail ideas with AI. You no longer need a giant team. And this creates 2 opportunities. The first opportunity is building your own channel. The second opportunity is far more underrated. Building channels for other people. Businesses want attention. Coaches want authority. Creators want growth. But most of them don't know how YouTube works. And they definitely don't know how to create high retention videos. If you understand storytelling, pacing, editing, and audience psychology, you suddenly have a valuable skill. And no, you don't need millions of subscribers. Even smaller channels can make serious money through sponsorships, affiliate links, digital products, and services. Because influence matters more than followers. And unlike social media posts that disappear in 24 hours, YouTube videos can make money for years. Think about that. You upload one video, and it keeps working while you sleep. That's leverage. And leverage changes lives. Number 3, AI freelance services. If you want the fastest route to making money with AI, this is probably it. Because instead of waiting months to build an audience, you start by solving problems immediately. Businesses are overwhelmed right now. They need emails, sales copy, marketing content, customer replies, product descriptions, research, lead generation, and most business owners are too busy to do everything themselves. This is where AI gives you an advantage. Imagine a business owner spends 6 hours writing marketing emails. You can finish the same work in 1 hour using AI assistants. That business owner doesn't care how fast you worked. They care about one thing: results. That's an important lesson. People don't pay for your time. They pay for outcomes. If your work helps someone save time or make money, they will gladly pay you. And here's the best part. You don't even need to be an expert at first. You improve while earning. Because the internet has created something strange. Most people are beginners pretending to be professionals, which means if you simply become reliable, communicate well, and deliver decent work, you're already ahead of most people. Consistency becomes your unfair advantage. Number 2, AI digital products. This is where things become scalable, because eventually, trading time for money becomes exhausting. You work more, you earn more, you stop working, the money stops. That's a trap. Digital products work differently. You build once and sell repeatedly. Imagine creating an ebook, a business guide, a content pack, a study resource, a prompt collection, a productivity system, a fitness guide, a marketing template, something useful, something valuable. AI can help you organize ideas, improve structure, polish writing, and save time during creation. But the real power is this. Once the product exists, you can sell it again and again. You're no longer selling hours. You're selling assets. And assets are powerful. Because rich people understand something most people never learn. Freedom comes from ownership, not effort alone. Most people ask, how much money can I make this month? Wealthy people ask, how can I build something that pays me repeatedly? That small shift in thinking changes everything. Number 1, AI automation agencies. Now we reach the biggest opportunity on this list. And honestly, this one might dominate the next decade. Businesses hate repetitive work. They hate wasted time. They hate missed opportunities. Imagine a business receives hundreds of customer messages every week. People asking questions, booking appointments, requesting information. But replies take too long. Leads disappear. Sales get missed. Customers leave. Now imagine someone steps in and fixes the problem. AI replies instantly. Bookings happen automatically. Emails follow up automatically. Customer questions get answered instantly. Everything becomes smoother. That person becomes valuable because they're not selling software. They're selling efficiency. They're selling time. They're selling growth. And businesses gladly pay for growth. Some automation specialists charge thousands of dollars monthly. Because when businesses make more money, paying for systems becomes easy. Now, is this easy? No, nothing valuable is easy. And social media has lied to people. Success takes learning, failure, practice, patience, and repetition. But here's the difference. These side hustles solve real problems, and money always follows problems. That rule never changes. Why most people will fail. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people watching videos about making money online will never actually do anything. They'll watch, get motivated, feel inspired, then forget everything tomorrow. Because action is hard, learning feels uncomfortable, and consistency feels boring. But success usually looks boring in the beginning. It looks repetitive, quiet, slow, until one day, suddenly, people call it luck. But it was never luck. It was consistency. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about money, business, psychology, and smart ways to build income in the modern world. And remember this, the future rarely belongs to the smartest person. It usually belongs to the person who moved first.